Why don't senior citizens play hide and seek with their electric can openers? Because good luck hiding when it always pops up saying, "Can I help you with that?" And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on electric can opener for seniors. Tip 1. Easy to operate. Seniors should look for an electric can opener that is easy to use. Some models have just one button to press for both opening and shutting down. A complicated can opener may confuse seniors, especially those who are not technologically inclined. They should also ensure that the can opener is not too heavy and can be easily maneuvered. Tip 2. Hands-free. Opt for a hands-free model. Different models require different levels of hand involvement. Some need constant pressure applied to certain parts, which can be difficult for seniors with arthritis or weak hands. On the other hand, hands-free models are beneficial because they do the opening without needing constant attention. Tip 3. Size. Seniors should consider the size of the can opener based on personal needs and storage space. Large can openers can open tins of all sizes but might not be required if they usually open small or standard-sized cans. These large-sized can openers may also be difficult to store. Tip 4. Safety. Since seniors have fragile skin, an electric can opener with safety features is an excellent option. Some electric can openers come with a smooth edge feature, which reduces the chances of cuts and injuries. Look out for models that have auto shut-off features too. Tip 5. Maintenance. Go for an electric can opener that is easy to maintain. Detachable cutting wheels are easier to clean than those that are fixed. Some models are dishwasher safe, saving users from extra cleaning work. Tip 6. Noise level. Seniors who have a sensitive hearing or simply prefer quieter home appliances should consider the noise level of the electric can opener. Some models are known for their quiet operation. Tip 7. Durability. It is crucial to choose an electric can opener made with high-quality materials that ensure its longevity. Stainless steel models are known for their sturdiness and durability. Tip 8. Cord storage. Some electric can openers have a cord storage feature for a tidier look. Excess cords can be a trip hazard, especially for the elderly. Plus, neatly stored cords also contribute to a cleaner, more organized kitchen. Tip 9. Warranty. Check if the electric can opener comes with a warranty. This gives users the assurance that they can have it repaired or replaced if it malfunctions within the warranty period. Tip 10. Price. Make sure that the electric can opener is reasonably priced and offers value for money. Some expensive models might have features that seniors would not use. Tip 11. Reviews. Before purchasing an electric can opener, it is beneficial to read reviews about the product. Check what other buyers, especially seniors, are saying about the can opener's efficiency, durability, and ease of use.